When it comes to improving your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and value, few upgrades make as big of a difference as installing new windows. However, the key to unlocking these benefits lies in how your windows are installed. For homeowners in Rayne, choosing professional window installation ensures lasting performance, safety, and satisfaction. Let's explore why working with experts is the smartest investment you can make for your home. Perfect fit and superior craftsmanship. Windows are only as good as their installation. Even the highest quality windows will underperform if they're not fitted properly. Professional installers take precise measurements, ensuring a seamless fit that eliminates air leaks and drafts. In Rayne's humid climate, poorly sealed windows can lead to moisture problems, mold growth, and rising utility bills. Professionals know how to adjust for wall irregularities and use specialized sealing techniques that DIY projects often overlook. Their craftsmanship ensures each window sits perfectly within its frame, maintaining the home's structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Rayne invest in window replacement is to reduce energy costs. Professionally installed windows help keep your indoor temperature consistent year-round by minimizing air infiltration and maximizing insulation. Expert installers understand local energy codes and the best materials for the Louisiana climate, whether it's energy-efficient double-pane glass, low-E coatings, or argon gas fills. Proper installation prevents energy loss around window frames, helping your HVAC system work less and saving you money every month. Safety, security, and warranty protection. Installing windows might look simple, but it involves precise handling, alignment, and sealing techniques that require skill and experience. Professional installers are trained to follow safety standards and use the right equipment to avoid accidents or damage. Additionally, many manufacturers require professional installation to keep product warranties valid. A DIY job or unqualified installer could void your warranty, leaving you responsible for costly repairs. By hiring certified professionals, you protect your investment and gain peace of mind knowing your windows and your home are covered. Time savings and stress reduction. Window installation can be a complex process involving old frame removal, structural adjustments, and meticulous sealing. For homeowners, this can easily turn into a time-consuming and stressful project. Professional window installers handle every step efficiently. They have the experience, tools, and manpower to complete the job quickly, often in a single day for most residential homes. You'll avoid the frustration of trial and error work and instead enjoy beautiful, fully functional windows with minimal disruption to your daily life. Improved home comfort and curb appeal. Professionally installed windows don't just enhance efficiency, they also elevate the comfort and look of your home. With a proper installation, you'll notice fewer drafts, reduced outside noise, and consistent indoor temperatures. In a community like Rayne, where southern charm meets modern living, fresh, well-installed windows can instantly improve your home's appearance. Whether you prefer sleek contemporary frames or classic wood designs, professional installers ensure your new windows complement your home's style perfectly. Long-term value and peace of mind. When you invest in professional window installation, you're not just paying for a service, you're securing years of reliability and performance. Correct installation helps prevent future issues like water damage, frame warping, or glass fogging. Moreover, professional installers often include service warranties on their workmanship, adding an extra layer of protection. This long-term assurance means fewer repairs, higher resale value, and more enjoyment from your upgraded home. Conclusion: choosing professional window installation in Rayne isn't just about convenience, it's about quality, efficiency, and long-term value. From precise measurements to expert craftsmanship, professional installers ensure your windows perform beautifully and stand the test of time. If you're considering upgrading your home's windows, trust local Rayne experts who understand the area's climate and building standards. With professional installation, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, greater comfort, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is in expert hands.